Now let's talk about how to use divided areas in triangle and quadrilateral problems. In the following rectangle, ABCD, if AD equals 9 centimeters, AB equals 6 centimeters, and ADE equals DEBF equals CDF, then the area of DEF is how many centimeters squared? Alright, there's a lot of letters in that question. Let's take it one step at a time. We have our rectangle, ABCD. That's the whole shape here. And we already know that AD equals 9 centimeters, so I'm going to label that right away. We also already know that AB equals 6 centimeters. Since I already have a couple labels on this side with the AB, I'm going to put the 6 centimeters on the other side. Since it's a rectangle, the two sides are the same. Okay, now I also know that ADE is equal to DEBF, which is equal to CDF. So what are those actual shapes? We have numbers labeled here to tell us which triangle is which. ADE is triangle 1. And that is equal to DEBF, which is a quadrilateral that encompasses both triangle 3 and triangle 4. And they're both equal to CDF, which is triangle 2. One more thing we can take just from what's in our question is that the entire area of ABCD is going to be 9 times 6. Now, 9 times 6 being the area of ABCD means that each of these parts, since they are 3 identical sized shapes, are going to be 1/3 of 9 times 6. So, we know that 9 times 6 is equal to 54. And we know that triangle 1, triangle 2, and triangle 3 plus 4 are each 1/3 of that. So we can take our 54, divide by 3, and find that each of these is equal to 18 centimeters squared. Now, we also know that since triangle ADE, which is triangle 1, has an area of 18 centimeters squared, and we already know that it has one dimension of 9 centimeters, we can set up our equation for the area of a triangle using 9 centimeters times the length A times AE times 1/2, and we know that's going to equal 18 centimeters squared since we already found the area. Now, if we multiply by 2 to get rid of our 1/2, then we'll have 9 times AE is equal to 36. Now we're still trying to get AE by itself, so we know that other dimension, so we're now going to divide by 9 on each side and find that AE is equal to 4. Let's label that in. AE is equal to 4. Now, how about this other triangle, triangle 2? We already know that one dimension is 6, so we can do the same thing. We have 6 times CF times 1/2, and that's going to equal 18 as well, since this triangle is the same size as triangle 1. Now again, we're going to multiply by 2, so we'll have 6 times CF equals 36, and then we'll divide by 6 to find that CF is equal to 6. So let's label that in. We have CF is equal to 6. Now let's find our missing dimensions here. We know that BE plus EA is going to equal 6 since AB is 6. We already have 4 accounted for, so we're still missing 2. So BE is going to have a length of 2. In a similar way, we know that BC has a length of 9, And we already have 6 of those 9 accounted for, so BF will have a length of 3. Now, if we know that the dimensions of triangle 3 are equal to 2 times 3 times 1/2, because it's a triangle, we know that that's going to equal 3. So triangle 3 has an area of 3 centimeters squared. Finally, we know that 3 plus 4 have an area of 18 centimeters squared. 18 centimeters squared minus 3 centimeters squared is equal to 15 centimeters squared. So the area of DEF is 15 centimeters squared.